Dropshipping can be a gold mine until one delivery mistake or lawsuit wipes out your profits. The good news? You can shield yourself from this risk with Next Insurance. Lost shipments, delivery delays, damaged goods, and even cyber attacks can cost you more than you think. And without insurance, you're paying out of pocket. Next Insurance gives you powerful protection. General liability for customer and property claims, product liability to cover harmful product incidents, goods in transit to protect shipments, cyber liability to guard sensitive data, property coverage for your workspace and stock. They built their platform for business owners who don't have time for long insurance processes. Affordable rates, tailored coverage, and fast approval make it easy. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance now. Don't let one bad delivery ruin your business.